Do you love the network marketing, direct sales industry, MLM, whatever you want to call it? Do you love it? Have you been in it for a while, but you just can't seem to figure out why you're not having the results that you were looking for? So, my name is Dale LaCure. I hope you're liking this channel. Please go on and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see here. So, I love the industry. I've been in the industry for 16 years, and I was in the industry in a different company for over 10 years. And I was doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result. I'm sure you have heard that quote, like the definition of insanity, right? So there's a few things that I want you to think about. And someone said to me a long time ago, which is what like made me really kind of open my eyes, like, do you love what you do? Basically, are you excited about the company? Are you excited about the products? Are you seeing results with the products? How old is the company? Some things to look at. Another thing would be like, how is the training and support? Like, do you have an upline that supports you? Are you learning new skills all the time? Are you up in listening to what is the platform to be on? Like, are you learning new things or are you doing the same thing over and over like I was doing for so long and not meeting my goals? I think the first thing is really the most important is like, are you excited? Because if you're not excited, no one's going to want to join you. If you're not excited, or maybe it's that people aren't looking for the products that you have any longer. And that was certainly the case with my other company. Like today, are the people searching for what you have, or can they go and get the same thing? Like, say, if it's protein shakes, can they go somewhere else and get shakes? And yeah, maybe the quality isn't as good, but they certainly could go to some other place to get them, right? So you don't want to have products that are similar to what people can find easily. That's super important. Also, the timing of the company. Like, is the company new or is it a company that's 30 years old? Because that makes a huge difference too. Because sometimes, if with a company that's really old, like everybody has heard about it, everybody has their opinion about it. Maybe many of them have tried the products and just they weren't really excited about it, so it didn't work out. So you really have to consider all of these things when choosing a company, or maybe switching to another company. And it doesn't mean to say that you're a failure. For me, it was like, wow, like kind of a gut punch, like to think about leaving a company after 10 years. But I realized I was not meeting my goals. I was absolutely not excited. I did not have upline support. The team that I was on was not utilizing the current trends in social media. And it was a really, really old company. So I was just like, no, even though I love the products myself, I wasn't getting results with other people coming on board with this company. So you really do have to look at all those things. So if you're in that place where you're kind of like you've been with your company for a long time, you feel like committed, you don't want to leave, but you're not really reaching your goals, it's really time to look in the mirror and just say, you know what? I love that company, but I really do need to be excited. I'm not really that excited anymore. And I really do need to make income because that's what it's all about. This industry has such incredible opportunity to make substantial amount of money so that you can come home, right? That's my whole mission, is to bring moms home so that you don't have to work outside the home, so you can create substantial income. And more importantly, so you do feel good, right? You do feel healthy. So you really need to look and see, is the company that you're currently with meeting all of those things? So I hope this helps. I know it's hard to like leave a company that you've been with for a really long time, but I can tell you, I have earned more money in 6 years than I have in 16 years. It's just the comp plan is another thing to really look at. Is it difficult? The best thing about our comp plan, which is just so different from another company that I was with that was a binary comp plan, is what we call focus on five. So focus on five means when you bring in either customers or business partners, it doesn't matter. You bring in five business partners or customers within a month, you earn $500. That is insane. I mean, that is almost 100% commission. And I have never heard of another company ever doing that. So that is like one of the key things in this comp plan that I love to talk about. And that's why so many moms are able to create income, because when you feel really good, when you start like getting your health back, you want to shout it from the mountaintops. When a product has helped you become, more energetic, more stress resilient, more calm, more patient as a mom, which is what our happy juice can do for you. Again, my name is Dale Acura. Hit that subscribe button. I hope that you are enjoying my channel. Feel free to reach out if you want to talk about the business a little bit more. I could go into more depth. I'm going to put another video in here which goes more into the comp plan if you want to understand that a little bit better. But I think, again, the most important thing is that you are really excited about your company. You're excited about your products. You're able to make money easily, and this industry is just so amazing. So don't give up, don't jump ship and then not go, maybe just change your vehicle to another company. Don't get frustrated. Kind of look in the mirror and look at reality and just be like, okay, what am I being consistent? Am I using the current trends in social media to build my business? Is the company like up and coming, or is it a company that everybody has heard about? Do the products do what they say they do? And like I said, just being excited about it. All right, enjoy. Feel free to reach out. I'd love to have a chat with you.